Hello traders, Pecanzington from GoldMedalPennyStocks here today, and I want to talk to you about the stock chart for ECUI, ECUI Incorporated, which is an OTC markets traded stock. So the first thing I want to point out here is the RSI. You'll notice that the 14-period RSI is currently trading just below the buy zone, which is anything between 50 and 70. So we're sitting at 44.19 here, and that's for the 14-period RSI. And the 5-period RSI is just at 34.17, about to dip into the oversold category, as you can see right here. So when it hits into that category, we should see a spike up as we did right here. So that will cross over the 14-period RSI, creating a buy signal technically, and so we've got a pretty bullish looking RSI indicator right now. The next thing I want to point out here on this chart is that we've currently got our Bollinger Bands trading within our Keltner channel. So the Bollinger Bands are these blue lines right here, kind of tracing over it, and right here as well. Currently trading within the Keltner channels, which are these brown lines right here and right here. So since our Bollinger Bands are within the Keltner channels, we have what's called extreme consolidation going on right now, is what it's referred to as. And when the Bollinger Bands actually expand out of these Keltner channels, we're going to have what's called a pinch play, which is generally a pretty explosive move. So we're looking for a pinch play here. This is a really popular technical setup. A lot of traders actually strictly trade these because they're very powerful breakouts for the most part. So extreme consolidation here, when we break out of this little price range here that we've been seeing lately, we should see a huge move. So support wise, it's good to see that this 001 area is holding pretty nicely. Draw that line out really quickly. So yeah, that 001 line has been holding as support, and resistance line wise we're seeing 0015. So I mean, we've got big gains, like 50% in gains before we even hit resistance here from these levels. And I think with the right news or the right amount of momentum here, that resistance falls really easily, and then we're back to testing up these 004s, 005 area again. So looking very good there. And the other thing I want to point out is that the par star is currently also sitting right at 0015. Right here, the par star is this little light blue dot here I'm circling. It's also sitting at just about 0015. So when that resistance gets hit, the par star is going to flip over, and it's going to become a bullish signal instead of the bearish signal that it currently is. So when we hit that resistance line, we're looking very solid to break it, and a lot of the indicators are going to turn very bullish. The next thing I want to point out here is that we could see the MACD is kind of starting to slow down on its little downtrend here. Looking to see it spike back up here soon and cross over bullishly. That's the idea. As you can see by the histogram, the downtrend is slowing down. It's kind of trickling back up, trending back up a little bit. So looking for that crossover here soon. Next indicator worth pointing out here is the CMF, the Chicken Money Flow. 0.2, and this is kind of tracks retail accumulation. So 0.2 is considered bullish, and 0.4 is considered extremely bullish, and we're currently sitting at about 0.5. We're at 0.499. So we're very bullish in terms of the CMF, a lot of accumulation here. The next thing worth pointing out here is that, as you can see from the Williams percent R, it's a short-term momentum indicator. When it is oscillating within this little range of being consistently overbought, that's very bullish, as you can see from looking up back at the chart here, and as you can see from looking when it had that nice little run, nice little move there, it actually goes up into the overbought category. So we're looking to see this Williams percent R, which has been oscillating kind of towards the middle, kind of spike up into the overbought category and oscillate within there. It's going to be what's construed as very bullish. And then the ADX isn't showing a significant trend right now, so again, just kind of consolidating right now. Everything's kind of saying consolidation. Same with the ROC, you know, it's kind of hovering around close to zero, so it's saying things are going to get pretty volatile here soon, but right now it's a consolidation period. Shares are swapping hands between, you know, people taking profits and the next wave of investors that wants to come in and move this up. So last indicator worth pointing out here would be the TRIX. The TRIX is another short-term momentum indicator, and it's downtrend is also slowing down. The signal line is very close to the tricks line, and it's looking like it could very easily cross over bullishly here very soon. So that would just kind of be like that. It crosses over, curls up nice and bullishly. So Monday, from what I'm hearing, there should be a lot of interest on this one. I'm seeing the buzz on the boards pick up a lot. So I'm expecting a big move from ECUI on Monday. I'm expecting the pinch play to start. I'm expecting those Bollinger Bands to pinch outside of the Keltner channels and kind of start an explosive move. That's what I'm looking for on Monday. So I'm not a professional financial advisor, so please just watch this video for entertainment purposes only, and don't base a buy or sell decision on anything you saw or heard in this video, because I cannot be held responsible. Thanks for watching, and good luck trading ECUI.